CVS Haul. These deals are good from Sunday, October 6th through Saturday, October 12th. So you guys have all week to take care of these deals. Make sure you guys go to the red box, scan your extra care card, and get as many CRTs that print out for you guys. That is what makes these deals amazing, some freebies and some money makers. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back and thanks for watching. So let's dive into these deals. First deal I want to do is on the Eucerin. So I got these guys. They are on sale. Spend $20 and get a $10 extra care back. So I picked up one daily hydration. This was $10.79. And one skin calming, and this was $9.79. So your total comes to $20.58. If you go to Eucerin.com, you can get a $3.50 coupon. You just have to, share the ad or share the coupon. So if you do, it's $3.50. If you don't share it on your social media, then it's only $3. So I shared it. I got 2 prints of $3.50 each. So I used both of those. That took off $7. I paid $13.58 out of pocket, got back $10 in extra care backs. So final costs on these are $3.58 for 2. Then you're gonna submit your receipt to Checkout 51. It's another reward app that I use. So all the information on that will be down below in the description box. If you guys want to sign up for that, my referral code is below as well. You're gonna get back $2. So final cost is $1.58 for both, which is amazing. I did not have a lotion CRT, unfortunately. So if you do combine that, it'll make it a moneymaker for you. But I didn't have it, so I still wanted to do the deal because Eucerin is a really good brand, and it was only $1.58 for 2 of them, so pretty amazing. The next deal I'll do for the first transaction is the Colgate deal. So I got one of the Colgate mouthwash. This is the 500 milliliter. They are $3.99. I got the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, which is $3.99 as well. And then the Colgate toothbrush is $3.49. I mixed these up. This is $3.49, this is $3.99, sorry. So for coupons, there is $1 off mouthwash in your app, so make sure that you clip that to your card. It is a digital coupon. The toothbrush and the toothpaste, we got $1 off on each from the 10/6 Smart Source insert from the Sunday paper. I also had a $2 off $10 Colgate purchase CRT, so I went ahead and applied that as well. Final price was $6.47. Now, as far as extra care backs, for buying the Colgate, you're gonna get back $2. For buying the toothbrush, you get back $2. And for buying the toothpaste, you get back $1.50. So you get back $5.50. Final cost is $1 for all 3, or just 33 cents each, which is not bad. Usually we get them for free, but paying 33 cents is definitely not a bad deal at all. I highly recommend getting those. The last deal is on the U by Kotex. So I switched up this deal last minute. U by Kotex is on sale for the larger ones here. They're on sale, buy one, get a $3 extra buck, and these are $7.49. So I had a $2 off 2 tampons, liners, and pads CRT. So I had to buy 2 products. Then I had a $3 off U by Kotex. So this is the deal I did. I picked up one of these. It is the 36 count of tampons. They're $7.49, and I picked up a, liners. The Security Light Day liners for $1.79. I used the $3 off coupon. There's also a $1 off digital coupon for U by Kotex that you can clip to your card. And then I used the 2 off 2 tampons, pads, and liners CRT. Final cost was $3.28, but I got back a $3 extra care buck, made it just 28 cents for both, or 14 cents each, which is awesome because these alone are $7.49 and we got them for 14 cents. So I'd say that's a great deal. So that was my first transaction, and I added the Cottonelle. So This was still tagged in my store for last week's deal, so I just assumed it was an unadvertised deal. That was not the case. It just happened to still be tagged, so they did honor it for me, but it is not an unadvertised deal, so you guys probably won't be able to still do it. But it's just a repeat of last week. You can get the 9 equals 36 or the 18 equals 36. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, and they were on sale $10.49 each. I had a $1 off coupon from the 10.6 Retail Me Not, and I had a printed coupon from Kleenex, or is it Kleenex.com? Yeah, Kleenex.com for 55 cents off. So that made it a really good deal for some toilet paper. But again, they had just honored it for me because it was still tagged in the store. So that was my first transaction. I also used a $6 off $30 purchase for my first transaction. Anyway, next transaction I did was on the rest of the stuff. You can't really see, there's like a ton more down here, but I couldn't get it in the frame. So, next transaction I did the Rimmel. Let me stand up. Okay. So, Rimmel is on sale, spend 12, get an $8 extra back. So, the best deal that I came up with is to buy 3 of these. There's 2 mascaras in each as well. So that's awesome. So these are $4.79 each. The reason why this is the best is because then you can use 3 of those $2 off coupons that we had gotten from the 9/22 Smart Source. So your total on these is $14.37. You use 3 of those coupons. Then your final is going to be just $8.37. You're gonna get back an $8 extra buck, so it makes it 37 cents for 3 packs, and there's 2 in each pack. So in essence, 37 cents for 6 mascaras, which is awesome. So that's why I went ahead and did that, and they do count towards beauty, which is great. Next deal I did was on the hair care. So the hair care deal was spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. So I got 3 Pantenes. They're on sale again, 3 for $12. Then I got 2 Head and Shoulders. They are buy one, get one half off. So it was $6.99 and $3.49. So for coupons, you're gonna use the $5 off 3 coupon. There is a digital version if you haven't used it yet, or you can get it from the $9.29 P&G insert. Then there is a 3 off 2 coupon for this. There is a digital version, or again, it's from that P&G insert for October. I also had a $3 off 12 hair care shampoo CRT, so I combined that as well. Final cost was $11.48. Get back $5 in extra care backs, so it wound up being $6.48 for 5 bottles, or $1.29 each, which is not bad because Head and Shoulders is pretty expensive. I got 2 of the men's, so from $6.99 down to $1.29 is like an 80% savings, so that's awesome there. Next deal is on the Dial. So I got the Dial deal is spend $20, get $7 in extra care box. There were a few other options that you could purchase in the deal as well, like Right Guard, Got to Be, things like that. I went ahead and just stuck to the Dial because I needed to stock up on some hand soap. So what I did was I bought, anyway, these are 2 for $7, so I was supposed to get 4 of them. And 4 of these, they're 2 for $4. You're gonna use $1 off of 2 of these, digital, and then $1 off 2 from the 10.6 Smart Source insert. Then for the Dial body wash, you're gonna use $2 off 2 from the 10.6 Smart Source and $2 off 2 digital. So your final cost is going to be, the total is $22. You're gonna subtract $6 in coupons, so out of pocket is $16. You get back $7 in extra bucks, so your final cost is $9 for 8 items, which is just $1.12 each, which is not bad. So great deal on that. I need to find my other 2. Hopefully they're in my truck, because that would really stink if they were not. The next deal is on the Speed Stick. So this is a really good deal. It's on the men or women's. I went ahead and got one for the men's. They're $2.99 on sale. Then there is a 50-cent coupon if you haven't printed it yet from speedstick.com. So you can print one of those. It's for men or women. So whichever one you buy, you can use that coupon. So final cost is gonna be $2.49. You get $1.50 back in extra care bucks. So your final cost is just $1. So not bad there for some deodorant. Next deal I did is on the Hallmark cards. So I'm not gonna show you, I'll show you one. Wait, look how cute. They are 99 cents each. If you go to cvs.com/coupons, go to categories, then it'll be gifts and flowers. Then there'll be a coupon you can print. It's $3 off 3 Hallmark cards, and these are 99 cents each. So you pick up 3, totally free for Halloween. They have some cute ones, so make sure you guys go ahead and pick those up. I also had a $3 off 3 Hallmark CRT, but I didn't want to combine it because I didn't need it, and I thought these little ones were cute anyway, so I went ahead and got those. Totally free, freebie, so that one's cool. And anyone can get that. Anyone can print that coupon. It is not a CRT. So make sure you guys head to that website and print those. Is that everything? Yes, that is everything. So if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of deals you guys want more of. Is it more lotion deals or toilet paper deals, or do you need more hair care deals? Do you need diapers and child care deals? Anything like that. Make sure you guys drop a comment, let me know. I try to make sure that I'm doing a broad range of deals so you guys can take advantage of them as well. So CVS had a ton of hot deals this week, so make sure you guys head over there and check it out. Again, any questions, please let me know, and I will see you guys next time.